You asked for it, and here it is.
We came here to build a new world, but the world built us instead. It's waking.
If we fight, we end both worlds.
Then maybe ending is the only way to begin.
If you can hear this, remember the sky used to have stars.
They said your mind was gone, but the stars, they remember you. Ellen.
Every ending is just another world remembering itself.
Welcome home.
What if I told you that you can now create unlimited, realistic, and monetizable AI videos for free? Yes, using a hidden Google tool that barely anyone's talking about. Whether you're on your phone or computer, this works perfectly. And by the end of this video, you'll learn step by step how to use Google VEO3 through Google Flow to turn simple text prompts into cinematic, viral videos. The kind of videos you can post on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook. Quickly get attention and traction and actually make money from. So make sure to watch the video till the end, because this one's going to be worth every second. Let's dive in. Before we start generating, let's quickly understand what these tools are. Google VEO3 is Google's next-generation AI video generation model. It transforms simple text prompts into ultra-realistic videos. Think of it like ChatGPT, but for cinematic visuals. Now, the way to access it is through Google Flow, Google's new AI workspace that lets you connect different AI agents together to build or automate things. And one of those agents is VEO3. Every new Google Flow account comes with 100 free credits. Each realistic video costs about 20 credits, which means you can create up to 5 full videos absolutely free. And later, I'll show you a little trick to make those credits unlimited. So, who is this for? For creators who want to start a faceless YouTube channel, for marketers who need fresh, viral video content, and for anyone tired of paying expensive AI subscriptions. Google VEO3 gives you a studio-level video engine right in your browser. You can create, publish, and grow, all without an expensive camera or complex video editing software. Pretty powerful, right? But hey, before we continue, I noticed that over 90% of you watching right now aren't subscribed yet. It took me hours to test this workflow and make it free for everyone. So the best way you can support it is by hitting that like button and subscribing. That way, you don't miss the next AI tutorials. Alright, let's get practical. Here's how to get started. Open your browser, go to Google and type labs.google.com, or you can click the first link in the video description. Once you're there, click Create with Flow. On the next page, click again on Create with Flow. Next, click Sign in with Google. Wait for Google to automatically authenticate your Gmail account, and within a few minutes, you should be granted access to Flow. Congratulations! You should now see a button that says Create a Project. Click on it. This is where all the magic happens. Now, let's make a few settings to ensure we get the best possible outputs. First, select the aspect ratio based on your needs. I will leave it on landscape and output per prompts to 1. Note that your credit usage won't be affected even if you decide to generate 4 outputs per prompt. Let's leave model to VEO3 fast. Now, let's make our first cinematic video together. I have prepared 5 sample prompts you can try right now. Don't worry, I'll leave them in the second link in the video description. I will copy and paste the first prompt into the Flow text box. Click Generate Video and let VEO3 work its magic. After a few seconds, I've got a super realistic cinematic video that would literally cost time and money if I had to create them by myself. Just see how realistic this video is. And it's not all Google VEO3 can do beyond this. If you're loving this so far, go ahead and drop a like. It really helps more creators find this content and keeps me motivated to share more of these free AI tricks. Thanks. Let's try a different prompt. I will copy and paste it in the prompt box and hit generate. And here is the output. Doesn't it look amazing? By the way, did you know that VEO3 empowers close to 90% of realistic AI videos most people are using today to make thousands and thousands of dollars online? The good news, you can do it also. Now, here's the secret hack I promised to reveal. As you already know, each Flow account only gives you 100 monthly credits. If you create a new Gmail account, you get a brand new set of credits instantly. You can repeat this as many times as you want. Gmail is free for everyone. Just make sure to keep a small spreadsheet of your Gmail accounts and credit counts, so you know exactly where to log in next. And just like that, you've turned Google Flow and VEO3 into an unlimited free video generator. The only downside with Flow is that it's quite tricky and complex to create story-based videos, as they would require consistent characters, which is usually done via image reference generation, and currently, Flow doesn't directly provide this feature. But there is a way around it, and if you'd like me to show you how to do this, leave a comment below so I know you guys actually need it. Keep on generating as many videos as you want, and once you're happy with the results, you can simply download them onto your PC by clicking the download arrow on each video. Choose your desired resolution and save them to your PC. So, what can you actually do with these videos? You can build a faceless YouTube channel in almost any niche. You can post short cinematic reels or TikToks with background music. You can generate the clips, add background music, and other effects using free tools like CapCut. You can create Facebook ad visuals or even sell your generated clips on Fiverr, Pexels, or other freelance platforms. These are monetizable and they scale fast. You don't need expensive cameras, actors, or editors, just your imagination and a few words. If that sounds like a game changer, then go ahead and subscribe right now, because next week I'll be revealing even more AI tools that'll help you grow your content faster than ever. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to use Google Flow and VEO3 to create unlimited, free, and monetizable AI videos. Remember, creativity is the new currency. Tools like this let anyone, even without equipment, tell powerful stories that move people. So now, I want to hear from you. What kind of videos will you create first? Or what AI tool should I cover next? Drop your ideas in the comments and share your results. I'd love to see them. Until next time, stay creative, stay curious, and keep flowing with AI.